Hey fellow crypto enthusiast, welcome to today's quick trend analysis. Let's get started. If we look at the hourly time frame for Ethereum, the price went up only slightly with around 1.6% in the last 24 hours, with a current price of 149. Jumping to the hourly simple moving averages, the current price is between the 100 and the 200 SMA. If the price bounces off the 100 SMA, which is currently at 149, it could be seen as a support, and the 200 SMA that is at 151 could be seen as a resistance to the upside. Breaking either way signals a possible further move to the corresponding direction. It's important to note that currently the price is below the 200 SMA, which is normally a strong resistance. A potential move upwards, however, could be signaled if it were to break upwards. Looking at the hourly exponential moving averages, the current price went above the hourly ribbon, so you should watch out for the price dipping back below the ribbon, or if it will play as a support to the downside, which is currently at around 148. Jumping to the hourly relative strength index, the current hourly RSI is at 59, so there are currently no signs of the crypto being overbought or oversold. On the lookout for divergences in the hourly timeframe, no divergence was found that could play a role for the future price at this timeframe, because the last one was long ago. Bearish, or negative divergence, and bullish, or positive divergence, are the two types of divergences. When the price is making a higher high, while at the same time the indicator is making a lower high, it's called a bearish divergence. This is an indicator that the buyers are exhausted and that you can expect a change in the trend. The same logic applies to the bullish divergence, where the price makes a lower low, but the indicator is making a higher low, signifying that the sellers are exhausted. Looking at the hourly stochastic RSI, the stochastic RSI currently shows no overbought or oversold conditions, but the %K line is over the %D line, which means the current trend is to the upside. The stochastic RSI shows similar to the RSI overbought and oversold conditions, but moves quicker up and down to improve sensitivity and generate a greater number of signals. It consists of two lines, the %K and %D lines. The %D line is a moving average of the %K line, so it moves slower. Cross points between the two lines could show a trend change. Jumping to the hourly MACD, seeing as the MACD line is above the signal line, meaning that the trend is currently on the up. Looking at the MACD histogram, we can see that the momentum is strong at the moment, and we can expect the price to continue growing, or maybe at least remaining the same for some time. The moving average convergence divergence, or short MACD, uses two moving averages, usually the 12-period and the 26-period moving average, subtracted from each other to create a single line, the MACD line. Another line is used as a signal line, which is usually the 9-period EMA. You should watch for crossing between these two lines for a trend change, respectively a trigger for buy and sell signals. There is also a histogram often to the MACD indicator, which shows the current strength of the trend. Jumping to the 3-hourly simple moving averages, the price has crossed the 100 SMA downwards, but it's not a very strong signal that the volume hasn't been very high. At the moment, the price is between the 20 and the 100 SMA. If the price bounces off the 20 SMA, which is currently at 148, it could be seen as a support, and the 100 SMA that is at 149 could be perceived as a resistance to the upside. If there were to be a break either way, it means that there could be a continuous move in that direction. However, the shorter time frames are not very accurate, and the bigger time intervals like the daily should also be considered for longer price development. Moving to the 3-hourly exponential moving averages, we can see that the price is situated in the 3-hourly ribbon, so it is yet to be seen if the price can break the resistance currently at around 149. However, the ribbon is compressed, which means the current trend is not very strong and a trend change could be expected. Generally, when the price moves sideways, the ribbon gets less accurate. Jumping to the 3-hourly relative strength index, the current 3-hourly RSI is at 53, so there are currently no signs of the crypto being overbought or oversold. Searching for divergence in the 3-hourly timeframe, no divergence was found that could play a role for the future price at this timeframe, because the last one was long ago. Looking at the 3-hourly stochastic RSI, both the %K and %D lines are located in the higher region. This means that the price is high due to overbuying, and a change in the trend, or at least some kind of consolidation, can be expected. Nevertheless, the K line has yet to cross the D line, so it's recommended that you wait and see if the trend does in fact go down. Moving to the 3-hourly MACD, the MACD line is above the signal line, which shows that the current trend is on the upside. The MACD histogram shows that the momentum is currently strong and it could be expected the price to go further to the upside. Generally, the bigger time frames have a bigger impact on the price, so please keep that in mind when we show different time frames showing contrasting indicators. Also, the shorter time frames are only representative for the short-term trading. Thanks for watching, but you should know that trading with cryptocurrencies is very risky, and these videos are only an overview of what happens with the price and a pure technical analysis without considering the fundamentals. So you should read more and make your own investing decisions. See you.